Ben with Ben Stout Construction at a new project that we're really excited about. As you can see, we've already made some tremendous progress here. We're at 450 Hayes Street downtown at the Prince Charles Hotel. The project they're working on here is with the coffee scene. This is going to be another primary location. They already have their current shop on Morganton Road. This is going to be another full-service gelato and coffee bar. So we're excited about being a chance and having an opportunity to work with them on this project. What you'll see to your left is going to be the dining area or sitting area for folks to enjoy their coffee, whether they're sitting here and enjoying it or taking it to go. It's going to be a nice, really neat with the architectural place to sit and hang out. So it's going to be a really exciting project for us. Again, we're well underway, about to start the drywall process here, and excited to be a part of the downtown and the continued growth here, especially this historical location that everybody in Fayetteville seems to know about. So excited for the coffee scene, excited for the progress, and look forward to showing more videos here as we make continued strides to getting to the finish line.
Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook to get the latest updates on all our projects. Visit facebook.com/Ben Stout Construction and click on like and follow. Thanks for joining our team.